Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So we're going ahead and we're just gonna fix this for this customer that's here. Like I said, she just came in and had her roof blown off, had some other stuff done. And so we've actually, you already fixed the handle?
Yeah.
So we fixed the entry door handle, was coming loose, and some other little minor things that we found out that was loose on the coach. And then as I was walking around my previous video, you could take my clipboard or my paper and stuff it clear back behind here. And I wanted to show you how much these screws were backing out on this. So he's going to try to tighten them up and then add some additional fasteners to secure it in place. But you want to definitely keep an eye out on these. I don't know, again, if it's from our rough roads or from the suspensions or from turning hard or what, but when these come loose, this is what's driving everything on here. And so it will damage, all the components in the rail of it. So make sure you're paying attention to your screws. If they're coming loose at the top or the bottom, make sure you're checking if there's any cracks on anything on the gel coat or the Phylon. And so anyways, this was just a quick reminder. So thanks so much for watching. And this is Dustin and Terry, your RV specialist from California RV Specialist, on a 2022 Grand Design Reflection. And it's a 303 RLS. Thanks so much for watching.